I told massive tree plantation. Here, why they are telling, why the government is asking us to sample the plants? Why? Because children, whenever the heavy rain will come on that particular time, what happens, children? Whenever the heavy rainfall will come on that particular time, the soil fertility will be washing out with the help of the rainwater. What is that? Soil erosion. What is the meaning of soil erosion? During the time of heavy rains, what happened? With the help of that rainwater, the soil fertility will be washing with the rainwater. So to prevent the soil erosion, what we have to do to prevent the soil erosion, the people they have to plant the saplings. What we have to do, children? We have to plant the trees. Why we have to plant the trees? Why? Because whenever we are planting the trees, the fertility of soil will be not washing with the help of rainwater, because the rainwater will be going into the underground the tree, so that we can stop some extent of soil erosion. That is the reason generally the people are planting the trees near the tank banks, because whenever the heavy rain will come, with the help of that rain, some of the fertility of soil will be washing out with the help of the rainwater. So whenever they are planting the trees, that water will be going underground under the tree, so we can some extent of soil erosion we can stop with the help of the plantations. So what is this plantation? According to our constituency, what they are telling, how many lakhs they have to do? They have to sample the 40 lakhs saplings every year. How many lakhs of sample? How many plants they have to sample, children? 40 lakhs they have to plants. They have to how many I told, children? 40 lakhs according to our constituency. How many saplings we have to do every year? Every year we have to do saplings of 40 lakhs, so that we can preventing the soil erosion. Means what? To prevent the soil erosion, planting the saplings, and not only that, it will be our area will become the greenery and scenery with the plants. Here one last topic in this lesson, children. If you see the page number 19, if you see figure 2.6, the cyclone, it has occurred. Where it has occurred? It has occurred in the Bay of Bengal. Children, whenever the disaster, what is the meaning of disaster? Disaster is nothing but destruction. Disaster is nothing but what, children? Destruction. So what are how the people can meet the challenges of disasters like cyclone and floods? So how can the people prepare for disaster? Generally, you know that whenever the cyclones and floods or what, they are a seasonal phenomenon. On that particular time, people will be curious, and they should be watch the radio, and they have to listen to the TV, radio, and weather condition day by day updation they will be giving in the TV and radio. So people should be care, and they have to watch the TV and listen in the radio whatever they are announcing, and sometimes they will be announcing in the loudspeakers, and they are announcing coming near the door to door, and they are announcing that at particular time we may occur the cyclone or floods. So during that time, what the people have to do? The people have to keep the emergency kit in their at home, and what are some, if for example if they are having any important registration papers, or if any medical kit is there, they have to keep ready. If people are staying in the ground, if the people are in the ground floor, what they have to do? They have to prepare the emergency kit, first aid kit, and they have to take the food items packed, and they have to drink the what, children? They have to drink the purified water during the time of the floods and disaster. So whenever if they listen any announcement in the TV and radio, they have to pack all the eatables, and they have to take their first aid kit, and they have to evacuate their house. And not only that, whenever the rainwater continuously that is getting into coming into the house, during that time, with that water, the snakes may be also coming to the house. The snakes and some type of insects will be coming along with the rainwater. During that time, you should be careful and see that no, for example, if you take snakes or some insects will be coming in with the help of rainwater, you have to check those all things. And you should not touch the walls, children. When during the time of heavy rains, the walls will becoming what, dry or wet? what happened? The walls will become very, it will be, water will be coming under the walls. On that particular time you have to switch off what? You have to switch off your electric main board, so that the short circuit will not happen for your building. So you should be careful for those all things. And here one more thing, look out for snakes that may have come out of their holes. Do not enter the flood water, they may be too deep. And here